Prime the machine. Using a 4-inch insert pan, begin pouring liquid product. Press up to open the spigot. Fill to the line in the insert pan. Press down to close the spigot. Press freeze down left and freeze down right to start the freezing process. Ensure that the yogurt is completely thawed before adding to your machine. Use a sanitized towel to sanitize the outside of the cap. With the sanitized towel, unscrew the cap. Use the sanitized towel to sanitize the threading around the opening. Smell the yogurt to ensure that it is of good quality and the proper flavor. Use a clean and sanitized spoon to taste the yogurt. Pour the contents into the yogurt hopper. Remove the lid from the topping hopper. Pour or scoop toppings into the hopper until full. Replace hopper lid. Unfasten the spoon dispenser cable. Loosen both hand screws on the top bracket of the spoon dispenser. Slide the top bracket off. Lift the spoon dispenser off the shelf. Open the top and front of the spoon dispenser. Slide a sleeve of spoons into the dispenser starting from the back. When the sleeve is properly in the slot, rip the paper at the top of the sleeve and pull down to unwrap the sleeve. Close top and front of spoon dispenser. Set dispenser on shelf with front facing in. Slide top bracket back onto dispenser and hand screws. Tighten hand screws. Plug the dispenser cable back in. While still wrapped, work the sleeves of cups apart to prevent them from sticking and not dispensing properly. Remove lid from cup dispenser. Slide cups right side up into each of the 5 cylinders until full. Each cylinder will hold 30 cups. Replace cup dispenser lid.